Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Gucci unboxing. I haven't done a Gucci unboxing in a really long time. I don't know, maybe it's been well over a year or two, but I did pick up a pair of sunglasses that I want to share with you. I was on the hunt for the perfect, simple black sunglasses with an ombre effect, and I finally found them after trying on what felt like hundreds of pairs of sunglasses. But before I show you what's inside there, I'm also going to share what's in here. But before that, let me just share with you this book that I'm reading. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am a bookworm. I love reading, it's my favorite hobby. And I'm currently reading this one, The House of Gucci. It is so good. I'm not through it yet, I'm only up to here. I think it's like chapter 7 or so, but I picked this up from Barnes & Noble. It is available on Amazon. I'll link it down below in my description box if you too are looking for a really juicy read. So this is, it says here, a sensational story of murder, madness, glamour, and greed. And this is by Sarah Gay Forden, and it is being turned into a movie, major motion picture. It's going to be directed by Ridley Scott, and it will star Lady Gaga and Adam Driver, so that should be good. But with most books that have been turned into movies, I always try to read the book first because usually, at least for me, the books are the best. And then sometimes the movies are interpreted in certain ways they're not exactly accurate or as dramatic, right? So I love this book right now. It is really juicy and it's full of history and heritage and facts about the Gucci family, how the business started, all the drama behind their family. And if you love Italy, Italy is my favorite place in the world to be. I have visited several times because it's my favorite country. I always say I want to live there. If you love Italy, the way this book reads, it feels like you are in Italy. It feels like you are in Florence. It feels like you are eating at the same restaurants that the Gucci family members are eating at. It feels like you're traveling with them. Like the descriptions of the high fashion and the glamour and the bling, it's all very descriptive and comes to life. So had to share this. I know it's kind of odd that I'm sharing a book, but if you love luxury and you love Gucci in particular, you got to read this book. It's really good. And if you're not into reading, then maybe at least wait for the movie and see how that turns out to be. So let me show you what's in here. This beautiful purple velvety box. Gosh, they're so bold and I don't know, sensational with their colors and designs at Gucci, right? So this is a really rich purple. Let me show you this one here. But then my glasses are quite simple. So I picked these up at Nordstrom, and see if I can show you. There's probably gonna be a glare, but they're really simple black sunglasses with an ombre effect, so darker on top, lighter on the bottom, which I really love. It's kind of got like a soft, subtle look to it, not as stark as just like a dark black lens. And also I love the fact that they have the little nose pieces here, especially because I have a small or short or small nose bridge, and if you have a small nose bridge as well, or a lower nose bridge, then these nose pieces can really help to kind of frame and help to have the sunglasses sit appropriately so that the bottom here is not touching your cheeks. That's a classic problem that I have. Many Asians have that problem. So with some of my sunglasses, I will specifically go and look for the Eastern fit, which is tend to be made for Asian faces. But this one here, there was no specific Eastern fit to it, but you can use the nose pieces here to adjust. And the lady at Nordstrom really helped me with this. She was like, this is the most flattering for you. It's actually the same pair of sunglasses that my daughter chose for me after she helped me with, I don't know, I tried on so many. So let me just show you here on the side. You have very simple GG in gold on each side. And this is really cool. There's a little loop, or I don't know what to call this. There's a little piece here where you can actually thread through a chain if you are one of those people that likes to have a chain kind of threading through your glasses or sunglasses so that you can just pull them down and they'll be dangling in front of you on your chest and you won't misplace them or lose them. So I thought that was a nice touch. I'm going to take these little stickers off. Let's see, which way do I go? I want to get the stickers off because I want to see how this looks when it's all blingy and not matted down with the sticker. There we go. Ta-da! Oh, it's so pretty. So a lot of the Gucci sunglasses are really flashy and quite bold. They're a little bit loud for me, but I really liked these because they're more understated and really simple, and they frame my face nicely. So I don't know the specific name, but I do have the code here. Let me see. Pull this off. So it was $420, and it's GG1028SK. If you put that in, you should be able to find it online. I didn't see it on the Gucci website, which is why I don't know the official name. But like I said, I got it from Nordstrom's. And then it comes with this wipe cloth, and then of course a matching pouch to hold it in. It's really nice. It's purple silk. So that's nice. Because I didn't buy this direct from Gucci and I bought it at a department store, I don't get a Gucci box. But that's fine. I don't care about that. So there we go. And the reason why I have these pink roses sitting out here, in my last video, I talked about all the pink things that I'm loving lately. And one of them was these pink roses that are preserved to last a year. They're from Rose Forever. It's a New York-based company. This is from the Crystal collection. It's one of my favorites, but I just wanted to show you this is actually the perfect size to store your sunglasses. So here are my Dior sunglasses. They're a little bit more blingy and sometimes a little bit too loud for me, which is why I wanted to go for a more simple black one. If you're wondering why I have two black sunglasses. And then this one is my all-time favorite. I know many of you like this one as well. This is from Louis Vuitton. This is the one that opens like so. It's got the canvas wrapped on the legs. It has the tortoise shell. It also comes in black. This one is called the Charlotte sunglasses. I think it was like $790 or something like that, in the $700 range. So the Gucci ones are definitely much cheaper. Let's just put this in here. Look at the sizing. It's just so perfect. The width of the drawer. So this is the 9-row set. They have smaller ones and also bigger ones. But when I tried this, I was like, oh, this is so perfect. And it's perfect because I have 3 designer sunglasses. Actually, I'm going to go like this. 3 designer sunglasses. I have a few other pairs of sunglasses, but they're not designer. They're just kind of, I picked them up from random little stores or boutiques. So this is what it looks like. Really tidy. And it slides right in. I do have a larger set, and I put my camellia flowers from Chanel and my extra ribbon in there. And my daughter has one because she took one from me, and she puts her jewelry in it. You can also put lipsticks, SLGs, fragrance, perfume samples, and you can also use this tray separately if you wanted to use this for like your beauty products, maybe on your vanity. But I thought that was really pretty, so I wanted to show you. It's a new idea I just came up with when I thought about my sunglasses and how to store them. I think this looks really pretty. So I'll put all the information down below in my description box. I did mention in my last video that Rose Forever has teamed up with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and for the month of October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, every pink rose set that sells from Rose Forever, they will donate $2 to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. So however many they sell, for each one it will be $2 donation. So hopefully it's a good amount and they can support this great cause throughout the month of October. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a pair of sunglasses that are your absolute favorite and which brand they're from. I'm always curious. I don't want to have too many sunglasses because I don't need that many. 3 is probably more than enough now. But I am always curious to know what you guys wear and what you really love. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy this type of content, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Till next time, bye-bye.